me! Help! The bees! Get them off!
This guy was outside his house screaming for help because hundreds of bees were attacking him. He kept shouting and waving his arms, but no one came to help. The bees just wouldn't stop chasing him. They surrounded him everywhere. And what happened next will shock you. I'll show you, but before that, if you believe your mom and dad are true heroes in your life, feel free to like and subscribe. If you appreciate their love, leave a heart emojis in the comments and share this with your friends to show how much you love and value your parents. Turns out he actually loves bees. He treats them like his pets.